Hello and welcome to UC Today. My name is Kieran Devlin and today's session is Securing AI-Powered Meetings for Regulated Sectors with AudioCodes. I'm delighted to be joined by Marina Risher, Senior Product Manager at AudioCodes for Public Sector Solutions. Marina, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Before we explore exactly what you guys have in store with your new solution, MIA On-Prem, can you please tell us a little about yourself, Marina, and your AudioCodes journey?
Okay. So, as you said, I'm a Senior Product Manager responsible for Meeting Insight On-Prem. It's a public sector solution for Meeting Insight. I bring with me more than 20 years of experience in product management and software engineering, combining deep technical knowledge from the software engineering and leading product. So I have an experience in voice area, data area, network communications, network management, and voice quality applications. And today I am leading as a product manager and voice AI and conversational AI products for public sector solutions.
Well, you're nicely placed to discuss today's topic. But just kicking off, Marina, what would you say are some of the major drivers encouraging organizations in regulated industries to look for on-prem AI to enhance their meetings? And what are some of the challenges facing them as they do so?
Well, we see that we saw as a major requirement and the major concern is trust. Public sector organization is a government, defense, legal, healthcare, finance, all those organizations, they are so obligated to keep all the data with the privacy, compliance, cybersecurity requirements, and in the era of data going to cloud, it made huge concern for those organizations. So what we saw is a demand to make a Meeting Insight application, a demand to make it on-prem, a full on-premise installation. And the challenge we had was, of course, the application itself is an NDI, but we greatly resolved this challenge. But moreover, when we started to see the challenges of public sector, we also saw that security is not the only driver. There are other drivers which are cause even a reference as cloud repatriation. So what we saw is the organizations taking off some of the applications from the cloud to on-premise or hybrid solution. What were the other reasons except of security? Costs. With a large time serving on cloud and seeing that when you have large volumes of data located in cloud or large volumes of concurrent sessions, traffic coming to the cloud, the costs are rising and organizations are not controlling them. So the second reason of cloud repatriation is actually the ability to control the costs. And the third reason that we saw is the actual control of the entire environment. Not being dependent on cloud vendors or not being dependent on software application vendors. Organizations want to make their in-house stagings from development to production and to have full control of the entire solutions. So all those three main drivers are the big challenges of public sectors and very large organizations that we see today, which are causing to look for solution on-premise or the hybrid environment. In our case, it's an on-premise solutions because high security requirements.
And naturally, AudioCodes very recently released a compelling new solution, MIA On-Prem, to address many of these concerns and challenges. What can you tell us about MIA On-Prem's features?
Well, MIA On-Prem main purpose is, of course, giving you meeting intelligence. The solution is organizational solutions. When most of the vendors are making personal application solutions. We are focusing in organizational benefits. We want organization to be able to see all the meetings in one place, allowing to search those meetings, to make a data intelligence from overall organizational experience and knowledge base. So our target is to provide the solution on-prem and to provide centralized on-premise solution to secure, capture, and analyze organizational meetings. This is the main target of the application. Of course, as outcome to this, it's boost organizational productivity, makes the resolution faster. When you don't spend time in keeping notes or in spreading the notes between people, all in one place, and you can easily access all the knowledge base of your meetings and decision taken and action items, it makes the organizational productivity and efficiency.
Great. And I'm wondering if you could please go into more detail about how it fulfills that incredible goal that so many organizations, particularly in the public sector, particularly in regulated industries, that their white whale ambition to fully secure meetings while reaping all the benefits of AI-powered collaboration. Can you please give us a bit more information on how MIA On-Prem supports and assists organizations in that goal?
Definitely. It's not enough only to keep meeting recaps, since meetings can be long, tedious, and we want to see the bulletproof summary right away after the meeting. So we are using conversational AI to create meeting outcomes and meeting insights, and we are utilizing SLM, small language models, which running on-prem. So the solution, including small language models, entirely located, installed on-prem, and we provide with business intelligence and conversational AI for our solution, also in on-prem solutions. Moreover, not only the AI itself is a challenge for public sector organizations and regulatory organizations, they have a requirement, most of the organizations, they have a requirement to keep the format, the specific format of the meeting, the document where you have specific bullets, specific logos. When it's distributed, even inside the organization, it should be regulated and kept in specific format. So we're providing a very simple tool. We're providing a very simple tool, allowing to build a user interface, the exact template that your organization needs. And then the meeting recap, the summary, the insights, all the data will be organized in the exact way as organization requires. So this is something specific to regulatory industries, public sector, when the requirement is to keep strict template and format. Is that okay?
That's perfect. That's terrific. Thank you so much, Marina. And one final question before I let you go. How can interested viewers find out more about MIA On-Prem and how AudioCodes can help secure their meetings?
Well, of course, you can go to our landing page. We will provide it, it's a part of the interview. And our landing page for the solution includes our brochure, all the information. It includes a very nice movie. You can see the operation actually operating in live. And you can see the solution architecture. One additional point I would like to add is the unique value proposition that actually AudioCodes brings on the top of the conversational AI and to the meeting intelligence. When we come to public sector, sometimes the combination of building the solution inside the old telephony environment is a huge challenge for those organizations. And our AudioCodes advantage is in that we have a lot of experience in UC and CX, and when we're coming to those organizations, we can build the entire solution or integrate with all the systems that currently are in market. So the combination of our unified communication experience and contact centers experience with all the data and telephony which we have today, coming as a huge advantage having one vendor responsible for the entire solution.
Brilliant. Well, I think that's all we've got time for today, but it's been a really enjoyable session. So thank you, Marina, for being here.
Thank you very much for hosting me.
And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and share on social media, and we'll see you next time. I've been Kieran Devlin, UC Today. Thanks for watching.